Should I take over? Okay. Thank you all for coming. Today is a very, very big day for me. Whenever you take up a brand and you endorse it, there's always, at least for me, a certain emotional. That's something that and it's triple strengthen and triple nutrition. And I feel like at the end of the day, if we go as actors and as people, we go to dietitians for, to nutrition our body, we should do the same thing for our hair because, you always want to look beautiful with your hair. And yeah, so I'm really, really excited to be here. And I think one thing that I always look for in my shampoo and my conditioner is the smell. Because many people say that when a boy gets attracted to you, he smells your hair first. So it's not only about boys, it's also about how you want to smell nice. But the smell has like a little fruity and a very like daisy kind of vibe to it, which I really like. It's very fresh and young. And one thing that the conditioner offers is that you can condition your scalp as well as people say don't condition your scalp, but in Fructis, triple nutrition, you should condition your scalp because it's good for you. It'll fill it up with all the nutrients. So now that I've given you a full lowdown, I think everybody should go right now, get Garnier Fructis Triple Nutrition because it'll help you a lot. Anything else? Yes.
And gorgeous Alia Bhatt. Thank you so much, Ali, for being here. Pleasure. And now I'd like to request on stage Mr. Satyaki Ghosh, Director, L'Oreal India Consumer Products Division, to please join us on stage. We now open the floor for the media Q&As. I request each and every representative, before you address the question, please identify yourself and the publication that you belong. Please revolve the questions around the topic about the brand and the association of Alia Bhatt with Garnier. The floor is now open. Over to you.
I would like to ask you, you had earlier endorsed Garnier skincare and now hair care. So how has been the entire experience with Garnier?
It's been a great experience. As I mentioned before, it's very nice when you and the brand have the same ideologies and you believe in the same things when it comes to marketing a product or, trying to sell it to the consumers. So whatever, like the advertisement that we did, it was very young, it was very fresh. See, all of us are human. You can't look perfect all the time. So there are going to be bad hair days, but nobody likes bad hair days. So here's your solution to bad hair days, And it's also not about it's not only about looking good, it's also about feeling good. And when you want to feel good in terms of, your body and your health, you also should take care of your hair because your hair also needs that utmost attention and nutrition that you give your body. So I had a great time working with the team. And yeah, it was fun. It was a lot of fun.
सात्यकी जी, आपसे मेरा प्रश्न है मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि अभी आलिया जी को आपने इंडोर्स किया और उसके पहले ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हैं और उसके पहले भी आपके दीपिका पादुकोण, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत और जॉन इब्राहिम थे आपके, तो इन चारों को लेकर के आप क्या कभी कुछ इंडोर्स करना चाहेंगे एक साथ में?
एक तो हमने आलिया भट्ट को इंडोर्स नहीं किया है, आलिया भट्ट ने हमारे प्रोडक्ट को इंडोर्स किया है. But I understand the spirit of your question. We have multiple brand ambassadors for the different categories that we have. John and Sushant clearly advertise for the men's range and they endorse that. Deepika does skin care. Alia was doing skin cleansers. Now Alia will do Fructis. We are very happy with all four of them and all of them get their individualities in it. Getting all four of them is a great idea. I have to think of a product which, all men and women and all four of them can come on the stage together. But it's a good idea. We'll keep it in mind. Yes, ma'am.